Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, August 26th. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just need this coffee to kick in. Got a busy day ahead.
I feel you. I've got a huge meeting to prepare for later.
Same here. Always running around for clients. Hey, did you catch any news this week?
Not really, I've been swamped with work. What's new?
Well, first off, there's big stuff happening with the economy. The Federal Reserve is talking about cutting interest rates soon.
Oh really? That's a pretty big deal.
Yeah, I think it's great for sales. If rates go down, more people might buy things.
That makes sense. Lower rates could help with loans for projects too.
Exactly. I'm hoping my clients loosen up their wallets a bit.
I get that. It could make funding easier for big plans at work.
For sure. I just want to close more deals without so much hassle.
Let's hope it works out. It's always a waiting game with these things.
True. But hey, it's something to look forward to.
Yeah, a little good news is nice. Anything else going on?
Oh yeah, there's some cool tech news I saw. Companies are using artificial intelligence to speed up work.
Really? What kind of stuff are they doing with AI?
Like, it can write reports or even reply to emails. Pretty wild, right?
That's amazing. It could save so much time on boring tasks.
I know. Imagine no more late nights fixing spreadsheets.
That would be a dream. I spend hours on project updates.
Same here with sales reports. AI could be my new best friend.
I wonder how safe it is, though. Can we trust it with important stuff?
Good question. I just hope it doesn't mess up my client info.
Yeah. We'd need to be careful, but it could be a game changer.
Totally. If it cuts my workload, I'm all for it.
Me too. It's exciting to think about less stress at work.
For real. Oh, and there's one more thing, something fun to talk about.
What's that? I could use a break from serious topics.
It's about a massive music festival coming up. Tons of famous singers are performing.
Oh, that sounds awesome. Where is this happening?
Somewhere in Europe, I think. Everyone's posting about it online.
Nice. I haven't been to a concert in ages.
Me neither. I used to go to shows every summer back in the day.
Same here. I miss the energy of live music so much.
Yeah, nothing beats a good crowd and loud tunes. We should watch it online or something.
That's a fun idea. A virtual party instead of a meeting.
Exactly. Way better than sitting in a conference room.
For sure. It's nice to chat about something light for a change.
Totally. Work is important, but we gotta have some fun too.
Balance is everything. These coffee breaks really help.
They do. Best way to start the day, hands down.
Agreed. Coffee and a good chat make everything better.
No doubt about it. Hey, how's your project going, by the way?
It's okay, just a lot of details to manage. How about your sales?
Pretty good, actually. I'm chasing a big client right now.
Nice. I hope you get it. That would be a big win.
Thanks, I'm working hard on it. Fingers crossed.
You've got this. Just keep pushing.
Will do. Hey, going back to the rate cuts, do you think it'll help small businesses a lot?
I think so. Cheaper loans could help them grow faster.
Yeah, I know a few small clients who'd love that. They're always tight on cash.
It's tough for them. This could be a real boost.
I hope so. More business for them means more business for me.
Haha, true. It's all connected in the end.
Exactly. And with that AI stuff, do you think it'll change how we do meetings?
Maybe. If it handles notes or schedules, meetings could be shorter.
Oh, I'd love that. Less time talking, more time doing.
Same here. Long meetings are such a drag sometimes.
Tell me about it. I just zone out after 30 minutes.
I try to stay focused, but it's hard. AI could help with that.
Let's hope it rolls out soon. I'm ready for the future.
Me too. It's exciting to think about how work might change.
Yeah, lots of changes coming. And hey, about that music festival, do you have a favorite band you'd want to see?
I'd love to see some old rock bands. What about you?
I'm into pop stuff. I just want something upbeat to dance to.
Fair enough. Dancing sounds like a good stress reliever.
Oh, it is. I need that after a long week of calls.
I get it. Music is the best way to unwind.
For sure. Maybe we can find a live stream link and share it.
That'd be cool. Let's check closer to the date.
Deal. It's nice to have something fun to look forward to.
Definitely. It keeps us going through the busy days.
Speaking of busy, I've got to head to a call in a few minutes.
Yeah. I need to finish some prep for my meeting too.
All right. Let's catch up later. Have a good one, Alex.
You too, David. See you later.
See you. Take it easy today.
Thanks, you too. Good luck with that client.
Appreciate it. I'll let you know how it goes.
Please do. Have a great day.
You too. Let's keep this coffee break tradition going.
Haha, always. It's the highlight of my morning.
Same here. All right, I'm off. Talk soon.
Talk soon. Take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.